Hello everyone, my name is Joanne and I'll be taking you through the FoldForge app today. Today we're talking about expenses, how to manage and track your expenses on the FoldForge app. So here you have my total expenses, total count, average expense, top category. The category I have here right now is salaries. Salaries for Chike, I have soap for washing, I have under salary payment, so this is more like your expenditures. What are your like where is your money going into? This is not your inflow, this is your outflow. So let's say you want to add a new expense. You select a category, there's utilities, there's rent, maintenance, supplies, salaries, marketing, administration, transport, and miscellaneous. Then you select your outlet. Depending on the package that you pay for, you as when you have access to one or more branches. Then you add your description. Probably this thing was used. Maybe you want to add that it didn't last as it usually lasts. Like probably you use soap and your soap normally takes you for like 4 weeks, but this time around it only lasted 2 weeks. So this is an important description to add for you to monitor it or know whether it's a brand or probably that particular item didn't serve you. Then you add the amount. Let's say it was 1 million. I mean, we're all praying to have big businesses. And then you add your dates and you add X